Guys, have you been looking for the perfect hat to wear? And if you have a really large head, or you're looking for the right size that doesn't make your hat feel like a toy, this is Comhats that specializes in extra large hats. They offer hats and like this one that's available from 7 1/8 all the way up to size 8, and it comes in a dozen different styles. Now this is a beautiful fedora derby type hat that is like a Panama hat, and it comes with this protective hat guard that keeps it safe during shipping. And be sure to keep watching, because I'm going to show you how to pack it to make sure that it travels with you well. Now look at the breathability of this hat. Now it has SPF 50, and it has this really finely made interior, and it even has a little string for adjustment here. So if you need to size up a little bit because you're used to getting hats that are too small, you can adjust it where it will fit well. Now, it also has hat reducers if you happen to size it too big, that you can put inside here in this ribbed protective area and make it fit well. Now, this is made for men. You can just imagine how you'll be the sharpest looking guy at the event with a hat like this and a fine shirt. Super, super sharp, but it's also made for just walking around and on the beach, and ladies too. I love this derby hat, and I think it's super, super sharp, and you can bend the brim in a dozen different ways to make it look really, really sharp. Now this was provided for me to share with you for my honest opinion, and I really like it. I hope you will like and follow us for more from Comhats and this great brand and many more like it. Now the important thing to keep watching for is the way you want to pack it. You're going to pack it like a burrito. When you pack it, you're going to fold it like this, and you're going to roll it like a burrito and pack it, wedge it in between some clothes in your suitcase, and then when you get to where you're going, it will spring back into shape. As well as, if you need to, you can steam it and get it loosened up where it can retain its shape. But it is a pack and go hat. Not only will it protect you and look super sharp, it will travel easily so that you can be the sharpest person in the room. I highly recommend it.